Hello, good morning. This is Lisa Fry, the Catholic Unschooler. Today, I am going to give a little demonstration on how to make broccoli salad. It is amazing. It is healthy, even with the mayonnaise, as long as you have healthy mayo. So I'm going to wash the broccoli with white vinegar. So I'm going to give it a good spray everywhere. Now I let it sit overnight out of the refrigerator. My stepmother had said, Lisa, how do you get it so tender? And I thought, I don't know, I didn't cook it. And I'm like, wait a minute, I left it out overnight. You can even do 2 nights if you really want. Okay? There it is, clean broccoli. Today's what?
National Donut Day.
What does it mean?
Dunkin' Donuts, if you buy like a beverage, you can get a free donut.
Really?
Yeah.
So spending more money. Okay, so I'm even cutting up the stems, okay? And we're going to get them to be, bite-sized. Some people peel the outside. I don't care about all doing that because it's very, very tender to me. Maybe I just have strong teeth, a strong jaw. Okay, so chop that up. Okay, you could chop it up to your liking. And I'm going to use this organic non-GMO mayo. I'm not a humongous fan of this particular one. Found at Market Basket, they have a couple, but I buy a bunch of the different kinds and see which one I like. But it's edible, and I know that the soy that's in it is not genetically modified. So you want to stay away from soy and corn unless it says that. Okay, so let's see. And that includes popcorn. So we're going to put some, I don't know, I'm going to try maybe a half a cup of, or, usually it's to your liking, really. So let me go and do that. I eyeball a lot of things because I know how much of things that I like in my food. Now we're going to take some apple cider vinegar and we're going to mix it in. I'd say about 2 to 3 capfuls. It's really, again, whatever you like. Maybe 3 is too strong for you. Sometimes it is for me. Okay, that's 2 for me. We're going to mix it up. Me personally, I love garlic and onion in almost everything. And the minced garlic, which I'll show you. Love these. The little flakes. Oh my gosh. I personally love these things. You may not. It doesn't call for these things, but I think it adds a whole world of a difference. Okay, so let me just go and show you how much I put in personally. Again, no measurement. I just kind of do however much. Some days I'm in the mood for more than others. Okay? And we'll do the same thing with onion. Okay. There goes my onion flakes. And of course I'm going to put some pepper in there. Again, shake, shake. I want you to learn to trust yourself, right? If you're not sure, try a little bit and then work your way up after that. And then I got my Himalayan pink salt. Yes, it is pink. That's from my kid. Okay, mixa. Now to me that looks too thick, so I'm going to add more apple cider vinegar. Alright, I can imagine you could put water too. Okay, so now, and you could add anything else, you really could. You could add any of your favorite, sorry about the lighting, your favorite herbs, spices. So now I'm going to cut up some Vidalia onion. I think that's what this is. So it's one of these babies, okay? I want to say it's Vidalia. Very sweet. You can use red onions. That's usually what they call for. I didn't have any, and I actually like this better. It's very gentle and sweet. So I had 3 heads of lettuce, and I might want more onions after that. I just cut a big chunk off. Okay. See, half the onion. Again, no measurements. You gotta trust yourself. Okay, whatever size pieces you like. Wearing glasses does help the sting in your eye. Now, if you had goggles or sunglasses that are maybe bigger, or even glasses that are bigger, mine are kind of narrow here, so the fumes do get up in there. So, okay, I wonder if it's through your nose though. It can't be, because when I wear my glasses, it helps. All right. I mean, my eyes are stinging a little bit, but without the glasses, it would have been so much worse. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up some cucumber. Why? Because I like that. Okay, I cut a cucumber in half, and now I'm going to clean it. Actually, I'm going to take the skin off. Yeah. Okay, cucumbers off to the side as well. Now, let's see what else I could put in it. Now, normally the recipe calls for raisins, dates, anything like that. So you could put cranberries in there, anything you want, like the dried fruits or not, the fresh ones. But Dr. Berg is who I follow online, and he teaches you how to keep your insulin level down, because I had a really bad eating problem as far as always being addicted to sugar, and I don't need those added sugars in my life or any foods except for potatoes. I still go there. But for the most part, that's the only thing I do bad. And so I just feel so much better because I'm not addicted to food. And when I want to eat, I'm always eating something really good for me. So, okay, what else? I'm thinking about maybe if I have olives, and I see them right now. Come on, come out. All right. Yeah. Do you guys like olives? I love them. Okay, these are extra large. I am not going to use the whole can. Well, I could, because this could be for everybody, but we'll see. Yeah. Actually, I'm probably going to take this with me today, some of it. Yeah, I'll use the whole can, and then I'll take some with me today. All right, so let's cut. You can leave them whole however you like. Again, every time you cook, it's about what you like. Do I like the large chunks? Do I like them smaller? Do I like more onion? Trust yourself more. Sometimes you might say, but I really like mint in my spaghetti sauce. But no, I'm not going to do that. That's too weird. But if you like it, try it. Reach out of the box and do something different. Okay, so let me go open this up. And it used to scare me so much, even though they're older now. I was like, don't cut yourself. This here, I don't have to worry about a thing. It is hard for them to even figure out how to put this on. It only has the one handle, so it's kind of tricky. All right, so let's get going with this. You know what? It's a beautiful day. It's hot. I can feel it coming. I'm going to open up some windows. After I do this, I'm going to have my coffee. I am not going to eat this right now, what I'm making, because... Why? Oh yeah, Dr. Berg says to eat only when you're hungry. If you wake up and you're not hungry, don't eat. And the other thing is, he says that around 8 o'clock you will feel like you're hungry, but those are not hunger pains. So just wait a few minutes, it passes, and we're good to go. So I am not going to cut these up. All right, I'm going to leave these in the can. All right, so I got all my lovely little things here. You could put red peppers in there, which would be awesome, but I don't have any. You could even put avocados in there. You could put some cabbage, which I think I'm going to do. I like to get the shredded up kind because our little bun that we have, I sprinkle this on there, and he loves cabbage. All right, so I got all my stuff. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a container that can stay, it can stay in there, right guys? And then, yeah, maybe this is big enough, you think? All right, yeah, see, that's about the right size. Okay, so we're going to throw all, won't really throw it, we're going to put all these veggies in here, okay? Okay, I decided to put one large pickle all cut up into the mix, and then the cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes, so I took about 7 of them or so, cut them up into thirds or fourths, some of them. So we'll just throw everything in here. And if you didn't know what cabbage I was talking about, it's coleslaw. Okay, it has green cabbage, carrots, and the red cabbage, but it's purple, go figure. Now this recipe would have been so much faster if I just went ahead and just used broccoli and the onions. But me, I like to add color, because you know that there's different vitamins and minerals in all different kinds of foods, right? So all of this here, the cabbage and the broccoli, it's all carnivorous foods. So it's really, really going to flush out your liver after you eat the healthy fat. So these go hand in hand. They're wonderful for your body. Do not be afraid. This does not make you fat. Ugly fat makes you fat. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in the mixture. And then I'm going to mix it all up. And I know I can get more out of that with my spatula. So let me get that. All right, so all of our dressing is on, and now we're just mixing it up, and that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Now you don't need the oh, what is it? You don't need the spices that I used. Maybe you don't like garlic. Maybe you don't care for onion. I do. All right. Oh my gosh, I forgot something. Huh. How terrible of me. So there's our healthy fat as well. And I'm going to put more dill, this stuff. I love it. Okay. Sprinkle some in there, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Voila. Maybe you need more dressing. So again, trust yourself. This is Bon Appetito with Keto. So you could put anything in there. You could put even lettuce in there. You could put spinach. It is a salad, a broccoli salad. Some people don't like all different food groups in one, all mixed up. I know my daughter doesn't. Me, it's like heaven. Yay, just give me all the vitamins I need. Okay, so I'm gonna have my coffee and I'm gonna sit down before I get this day going, as far as for my children, and take some more standardized tests. It never ends. Okay. Well, God bless you on this day, and please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, there's so many different things. Usually you go to a YouTube channel and you find one particular kind of thing. This here is, you have recipes, we have religious topics, we have scootering topics, sometimes BMX. We have reading for children with Miffy, our bunny. We have spending the day with us and unschooling / very relaxed homeschooling. So all different kinds of topics, and yeah, so just come, subscribe to us, tell people about us, and I would love to see you there. And don't forget to eat your salad, because we need our nutrition. All right, God bless you. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, as I was putting everything away, I came across this beautiful thing. This is what gives people shiny skin, and healthy insides of your body. Things that have to run smoothly, kind of, right? Like your engine in your car. Well, I'm going to cut up one of these little cubes and throw them in that salad. I would throw some lemon juice on it, because lemon and this go hand in hand, and it will stop it from browning. So let's go. I'll see you later. Bon appetito with Keto. Thank you. Thank you, God. I keep saying goodbye. Get used to it. I often have thoughts after I'm done while I drink my coffee. Excuse me. Coffee is part of heaven. I don't care what anybody says, even if it's decaf like mine. I was thinking you could put pumpkin seeds in there. You could put, what else was I thinking of? So once I started following that from Dr. D'Adamo, which I truly believe in, it's amazing. I mean, just healthy foods. When my husband eats tomatoes, he has a bad blood reaction. That's what it says. And then he starts to break out. I can always tell him, like, did you eat tomatoes today or yesterday? Because he starts to break out. So what's good for one person doesn't necessarily work for another. That's why you have different blood types, right? Because they're nourishing the body in different ways. Excuse me. Anyway, so I thought, it's always helpful to, share information. If you ever want to share information that you have found successful, please let us know. And I have never felt so good. I mean, I am never suffering. And when I do, if I do, then I know I can pinpoint it right to, okay, it must have been that particular thing that I had. Because following Dr. Berg, B-E-R-G, online, he has saved my life. I even have a plaque made for him. It's beautiful, but I just can't find his address anywhere. All right, I'm going to edit now. So God bless you, and who knows when we'll talk again. All right, bye.